Living in the IT era has brought about numerous technological advancements that have transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. The history of computers can be broadly divided into 5 generations, with each generation representing a significant leap forward in computing technology. Let's take a look at each of these generations in turn. First, we have first generation in 1937 to 1953. The first generation of computers used vacuum tubes as their primary electronic component. These early computers were large, bulky, and expensive to operate, but they represented a significant breakthrough in computing technology. Examples of first-generation computers include the ENIAC or Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer and UNIVAC or Universal Automatic Computer. Second generation in 1954 to 1962. The second generation of computers saw the introduction of the transistor, a smaller and more reliable alternative to the vacuum tube. Transistors allowed computers to become smaller, faster, and more reliable than their first-generation predecessors. Second-generation computers were also the first to use magnetic core memory, which allowed for faster data storage and retrieval. Examples of second-generation computers include the IBM 1401 and the DEC PDP-1. Third generation in 1963 to 1971. And third generation of computers saw the introduction of the integrated circuit, which allowed for even smaller and more powerful computers. Integrated circuits combine multiple transistors and other electronic components onto a single chip, which made computers much smaller and more reliable. Third-generation computers were also the first to use operating systems, which made them easier to use and more accessible to non-technical users. Examples of third-generation computers include the IBM System or 360 and the DEC PDP-8. Fourth generation in 1971 to 1989. The fourth generation of computers saw the introduction of the microprocessor, a single chip that contained all of the components of a computer's central processing unit or CPU. Microprocessors allowed for even smaller and more powerful computers, and they made it possible for computers to be used in a wide range of applications, from personal computers to industrial control systems. Fourth-generation computers were also the first to use graphical user interfaces, or GUIs, which made them much easier to use for non-technical users. Examples of fourth-generation computers include the Apple II and the IBM PC. In fifth generation in 1990 or present, the fifth generation of computers is characterized by the use of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and parallel processing. Fifth generation computers are designed to be able to process vast amounts of data and perform complex calculation in real time. Examples of fifth generation computers include supercomputer like the Cray T90 and the IBM Blue Gene. The history of computers has seen numerous breakthroughs in technology that have transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. From the bulky and expensive first-generation computers to the powerful and advanced fifth-generation computers of today, the evolution of computing technology has been nothing short of remarkable.